Okay, I'm so sorry I started without you. I'll make the quicker. It'll make the YouTube video quicker. So my camera fell, so I had to restart over the video. So welcome to PC Building Tycoon 2. We're going to do the first 2 levels. This is the beta of PC type building. Okay, what's this? Okay, Uncle Tim. Okay, so I guess you haven't seen the whole shot. What's up? Let's get started. Let's go, amigo. Okay, move the delivery boxes over here. So I think this is level 1 right here. We're going to do level 2, and then that'll be the end of the video. I'm sorry for my bad PC. Oh my gosh, we got an RTX card. What the? Oh wait, there's another one here. Come on, grab that. Oh wait, what? Sheesh, we got PC up in Sears. Okay, where do we go now? The workbench. How? Wait. Is there a different workbench? Oh yeah, over here. Okay. Fixing the PC. The PC needs to be fixed. Remove the side panel right here. Okay. My gosh, this is so pushing P, guys. This is so pushing P. He's doing that gritty, bro. I'm sorry, I'm just tired today. I tried to keep you guys entertained every day. I'm supposed to use every day. Okay, remove that. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing up here. Okay, we remove that. Water. Not these scrap again. Each time I remove a bolt, I'm gonna say, oh my gosh, that guy's doing the gritty. Okay, do I have to press 2? Oh, I just hold it. Okay. Now remove the. Okay. Oh my gosh, this guy's pushing P, bro. Removing another key thing. Oh my gosh, this guy's pushing P, bro. Oh yeah, we have this. We put the G-Force in? We put the RTX G-Force in, bro? That's so pushing P, bro. That's so pushing P. Sheesh, we're gonna install that like doo-doo-doo-doo. Look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, remove components and then select the PCI clock. Oh my gosh, this guy's doing gritty, so pushing P. Oh my gosh, this guy's doing gritty, so pushing P. Oh my gosh, this guy's doing the gritty, so pushing P. Oh my gosh, this guy doing the gritty, that's so pushing P. Okay, now select the graphics card. Okay, select the side panel. Okay, where are we gonna put this? Oh yeah, install. Oh my gosh, this guy's doing gritty. That's so pushing P. Oh my gosh, that guy's doing gritty. That's so pushing me. Oh my god. Wait, I don't know if that's copyright. Well, I mean, yeah. She's little cool now. Okay. Still see skills. All done. Let's go carry this. I did not trust myself with this RTX here. Where? Oh, okay, right here. Okay. How do you turn that off? Oh, key. Okay. See, you should turn on, guys. See, look, it turned on. Omega system. Is that Discord? Oh, no, that's Eve. Oh my gosh. We're on the thing. What's one? Oh, we gotta open the email app. Come on, open the app. Welcome to your email. Oh, was this computer for me? I thought we were repairing a computer for someone. So is this like email for me now? I meant this computer for me. So email, okay. See. Okay, scan. Okay, we just need to scan this. That should be easy. Alright, where do we bring it now? Back here? What the heck is this place? Go outside. What? There's a car? That's so pushing P, bro. This level took longer than I thought. Maybe one level per game. I meant per video. Sorry. I don't really know how to play this type of game. Okay, we gotta work on, oh, virus scanning, okay. Remove components. It's all USB drive. Ah! Why? Okay, this is all for virus scanning. Okay. Okay. Okay, now cable. I did. Okay, ready to boot now. Turn on the PC. See if anything wrong with the PC. Hang on, can we move? Okay, let's see. You got a picture of oh, what did dog do? Add and remove programs. Why does no one have the game more than me? Like, what the freak, bro? Virus scanner. Imagine this gives him a virus. That would be so freaking fun. Oh, okay, double click. Couldn't they done this by themselves, or do we only have access? Why does this guy have so much freaking files? Like, what the what? How does he have so much freaking files, bro? What the? Why? I'm sorry if this video is not very entertaining. Well, but why? Why does he have that? Files infected. Okay, we're removing them. Water blue. What? Oh, black. My question is, why do you have like 150,000 files? I was like, I probably only have like maybe like 50. Why does he need 150,000? Sorry, I wasn't talking for that little bit. Okay, look, we're almost there. Yeah. See, it says beta gameplay. Yeah. Oh crap, I have to disconnect the... Huh? What? No, I don't wanna... Huh? P. Oh my gosh, that's so pushing P. Oh my gosh, that's so pushing P. Why did I open this? That's pretty good crap right there. Let's rob him. Just kidding. What the heck? No, I got a notification that said, I'm gay is your new follower. What the freak? On TikTok. Oh crap. I do not know how to put the back on. The back on. Complete. How do I put it back on? Oh yeah, remove components. Side panel. There. Oh my gosh, that's so pushing me, bro. Oh my gosh, that's so pushing me, bro. This better be the end of the level. Oh my gosh, that's so pushy P, bro. That's so pushy P. Hello, I'm recording a video. I'm recording a video, bro. Okay. I'm ready to ship. Collect payment from your email, okay. Collecto. Yeah, we made $120. Missing pipe. What does it mean by missing pipe? Aha, this is so freaking long. I wish I was smarter and edited this. Oh, remove this part. Okay. Huh? Huh. Huh. Huh? Why can't? Oh, screws! I was so confused. Oh my gosh, that's so pushing me. Oh my god, that's so pushing me. Okay, changing bench. Huh? What? Do we have to remove something? Okay. No. What the heck? Oh my gosh, that's so bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, bro. As you can see, I enjoy this game. Just kidding. It's just because I don't want to keep you guys bored. Oh, please sit down. Please sit down. Yeah, we might end the video right here. So, bye. Have a great